Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter 1 How, When and Where. Topic 5th What is colonial? Colonial means that when one country ruled to another country is called colonial, or when one country controlled to another country. For example, British control India, that is colonial. Okay, when Britishers came to India and established their rule and they subjugating local Nawabs and local Rajas. Subjugating means pressurize, control or to make them weak. And when Britishers came to India, they control over the economy and society and started collecting revenue. What is the meaning of revenue? Revenue means taxes. Okay, they started collecting taxes. And with this taxes, they were doing all their expenses. And they bought the goods they wanted at very low price from India and sold it in a very high price to another country. Okay, as we heard that, okay, India was known as golden bird or सोने की चिड़िया. But Britishers exploited India for their profit. They were forcing Indian farmers to produce crops the Britishers needed and export it in a very high price to another country. Okay, so when British rule was there in India, they brought so many changes in Indian values like taste, customs, and practices. Okay, so when one country controls to another country in a political, economic, and cultural way, this changes or this process is known as colonization. Okay, understood? So that's all for today. Topic. Next topic, I will explain it in my next video. Thank you.